Hi, I'm Sneha Deshpande and I'm a spacecraft controller working in Satellite Control Center at Inmarsat's headquarters in London. Being a spacecraft controller, I'm responsible for monitoring of 14 satellites. It's been a really exciting time in the Satellite Control Center because our 14th satellite in geostationary orbit GX5 has just started its commercial services, providing global express high-speed broadband connectivity over Europe and Middle East. In the 12 months since the spacecraft was launched, we have been very busy preparing GX5 for this stage, and the journey has been complex. After the satellite has completed its liftoff, we performed numerous tests which are in orbit and performed relocation maneuvers. Once the satellite reached its geostationary position, we performed a series of tests to confirm it survived unscathed from the harsh conditions of launch campaign, which last around 45 days. All units and subsystems were switched on and tested, comparing the test results with the ones recorded on the ground before the launch to make sure they were fully operational. In March and August, we performed drift operations to move GX5 to its final longitude of 11 degrees east, ready for commercial services, keeping in close coordination with the other operators so that we can avoid interference with the other satellites. Satellites go through eclipse season twice a year. They cannot use solar power during the eclipse. GX5 went through its first eclipse season in March, operating only on batteries, so we have to do the important job of closely monitoring the satellite from the Satellite Control Center. Finally, once GX5 reached its designated position, we performed test of 4 steerable antennas which are used to direct additional global express capacity to the areas of high demand in its coverage. Preparation and execution of these activities requires the joint effort of the colleagues from satellite operations team such as ground segment engineering, flight dynamics, spacecraft analyst, software engineering and real-time operations team. The GX5 satellite now joins the rest of our fleet controlled by the SSC real-time operations team on 24/7 basis and 365 days a year. GX5 is a great step forward in the pursuit of connecting the world, continuing Inmarsat's legacy of delivering superior services.